Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I wanted to try these Swans Down Cake Flour pancakes. Now I already have a pancake recipe, but since I love using Swans Down, I thought I'd try their pancakes, okay? Now this particular recipe is on their site. It calls for 2 cups of sifted Swans Down Cake Flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg slightly beaten, and 1/4 cup of melted butter, cooled, or you can use vegetable oil plus a little bit more for the griddle. Now, I don't need no 2 cups worth of pancakes, so I'm halving the recipe, okay? What you saw me doing was sifting my flour, my baking powder, my salt, and my granulated sugar. So that has already been sifted, all right? And then here I have my melted butter. I just wanted to use butter rather than vegetable oil. I mean, it's pancakes, you gotta have butter. And then I have my milk here, and I tried my best to do like half of an egg, all right? Okie dokie. So I'm also gonna add, while I'm thinking about it before I forget, I want a little bit of vanilla, pure vanilla extract. So I'm gonna go on and add this to my milk, right? About a teaspoon of that. And I'm also getting ready to add, let me just bring you guys over here with me so y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. And of course I have already washed my hands. Y'all don't be in the kitchen with nasty hands, because that's just nasty. Alright? Okay, so I'm going to go on and add my egg and my butter to my milk. We're going to mix this up. Okay, and now we're going to add the liquid to my dry ingredients. And you guys, what you don't want to do, you don't want to over mix it. You're not trying to make this batter silky smooth. It'll make you have tough pancakes, okay? So usually my batter is, you know, a little lumpy still. Also, after I get it mixed up, I don't immediately pour. As a matter of fact, let me go on and turn on I'm going to use my cast iron skillet. I'm going to turn it on medium so it can start getting hot. Add a little butter to that in just a second. Okay. Like I said, I don't try to get my batter silky smooth. I try to make sure everything is moistened. And you'll notice that it still has some lumps in it, you guys, and that's okay. Still has lumps. It's okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it rest for at least, you know, about 5 minutes or so before I start making my pancakes. In the meantime, I'm getting my cast iron skillet warm, or hot, shall I say. Add a little bit of butter to it, and then I'll be ready to fix these. I want to fix them in a cast iron skillet like my mom used to do. I also like fixing them outside on the Blackstone, and that's what I did, I think, when I did my other video of pancakes. But in the meantime, we're going to do the cast iron skillet this morning, so we're going to let this sit and rest a few minutes before we start making these pancakes. Alright, let's get them in the skillet. I always feel like my first batch of pancakes are ugly and don't turn out right. Does anybody else feel that way? It's almost like you have to cook one batch, and it's like that's when the pan gets to cooking good. Oh my goodness, but we'll see. Let's see if if these Swans Down pancakes are hitting on anything. I need to wait until like those edges will start getting a little crispy, and then the middle of them will start, you know, getting the little bubbles that'll start popping, and then we'll know it's time to flip them. Alright, let's see if these pancakes hitting on anything. I love a good pancake now. So we're gonna see what the Swans Downs is tasting like. And I guess you can tell I like a lot of butter. So what's a pancake without butter? It's a boring pancake is what it is. So,
That for me.
it's for you. Let's see, let's see, let's see. You substituting for your daddy today?
Mm-hmm. Coach called me in and said he needed a backup point guard, so I'm here.
You're here.
Yeah.
Let's see, now I did heat up that syrup, so.
Per usual.
Per usual. Do y'all have to have hot syrup with your pancakes? I do. Hot syrup is a must, and it is really hot made, so. I think I'm gonna let you taste it first and tell me what you think. Let's see. Dog, how many you putting on there? Be careful, that syrup is hot. They good? Are they good? Well, I think I was going to show you that they looked a little fluffy. But he has really dug into them. Okay, okay. They're good. Well, let me see.
I had 3. That's an onion.
Do they taste?
A number.
Do they taste any? Can you tell a difference in the taste? Oh, I love that little crunchy edge. That little crunchy edge reminds me of my mama's pancake. Oh, that's good.
That's good. I like that.
That's good. Okay. Dude number one, too bad you're not here. Okay. Well, you gonna finish that? Okay, Swans Down. That's pretty good. Surprisingly. Okay. So y'all, that's very, very simple. Remember, don't be stirring them too much, trying to get them smooth, because you're gonna make them tough. They're supposed to be light and fluffy. That was good. I should have made both cups of them. Anyway, all right, you guys. Well, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. And
hit the nosy. I sound like that.
All right. I'm also gonna put the other pancake video at the end of this video. Okay. I'll probably put a card in. I probably already put a card in somewhere in the beginning, but I'm also gonna link it at the end of the video if you want to see the other pancake video. But y'all, that's all right. That's all right. Okay, you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time. Bye.